Szia! Welcome to the Magyarize YouTube channel, where I share Hungarian language and culture content to help you get closer to Hungary step by step. Today is March 15th, where we remember the 1848-49 revolution, which is famous for having its own kind of poem or song, which was written by Sándor Petőfi to encourage the youth of Hungary and Budapest to rise up. If you want to read more about this revolution, you can find a bilingual article on Magyarize.com. And today I wanted to tell you the first verse of this poem called Nemzeti Dal. There will be subtitles in Hungarian and English, so you can learn the language as well. Petőfi Sándor, Nemzeti Dal. Talpra magyar, hí a haza. Itt az idő, most vagy soha. Rabok legyünk vagy szabadok? Ez a kérdés, válaszadok. A magyarok istenére esküszünk, hogy rabok tovább nem leszünk. The poem is much longer than this. This was just a little introduction. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can learn a few words from it. And as I said, if you want to read more about this historical event, then go to Magyarize.com. If you enjoyed it and find the video useful, please press like and subscribe for more.